Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is AM Aluminum Gutter Guard. This design creates and promotes more airflow from top and bottom to remove debris. The design also allows this product to be installed on all types of hangers, including hidden hangers but also the older style spike and ferro. These features make this product the best choice for any homeowner or installer. There is no need to replace your existing gutters. AM gutter guards install on any 5 or 6 inch gutter in all hanger designs. AM gutter guards are installed on top of your gutters and do not come in contact with the roof. They perform well with all roof material and any roof pitch. AM Gutter Guard's unique bubble design allows your gutter to remain free-flowing. The flow drain holes allow only water in your gutters. AM Gutter Guards perform well during record amounts of rainfall. AM Gutter Guard has 384 holes per foot. AM Gutter Guard's unique filtering bubble design allows water to flow freely even when covered with debris. It's easy to install with tabs for seamless joints. Number 2 in this best gutter guards list is Raptor Stainless Steel Gutter Guard. Its aluminum and stainless steel materials withstand the elements year after year and won't warp, crack, or rust. Raptor Gutter Guard is designed to work with any gutter and roof type. There's no need to worry about what style of roof or gutter you have. While installation is simple, customers praise our detailed instruction manual that ensures you get the job done right. Its V-bend technology offers superior efficiency in water filtration and self-cleaning capabilities compared to standard mesh products. It also adds rigidity to the mesh, helping it withstand heavier debris without sagging. The front trough part of our patented designs acts as a motivator for the water to go straight into the gutter rather than dripping over the side. Its mesh is type 304 stainless steel, making it extremely rust and corrosion resistant. We use a 30 mesh that is 900 holes per inch too, which provides the perfect balance for keeping out debris while still allowing maximum water filtration. For details, let's watch more.
Against Raptor. Raptor Gutter Guard by Gutter Glove is the best of what we've learned from over 20 years of gutter guard innovation. It starts with a sturdy, all-aluminum rail providing industry-leading strength capable of handling wet debris from the most demanding environments. It's supported by stainless steel micromesh capable of filtering almost anything Mother Nature throws at it, from pine needles and roof grit to leaves and pests and more. And it's packed with patented technology you won't find anywhere else. V-bend technology optimizes performance and adds rigidity to the mesh. 304 stainless steel mesh won't warp, crack, or rust. The trough is the latest advancement in gutter guard design that ensures water flows into your gutter and not over it. And best of all, it fits on any gutter or roof type, and you can install it yourself with manageable sections that slide right into place. Then, simply screw them onto the lip of your gutter. Combine all that with an industry-leading 25-year warranty, and you can see why thousands have chosen Raptor Gutter Guard.
Our third choice is Gutter Stuff GS 10957 Gutter. Gutter Stuff Original is an easy, self-installed gutter guard that is both affordable and invisible and eliminates dangerous and dirty gutter cleaning. Gutter Stuff Original seals out leaves and allows large volumes of water to flow through quickly. No other gutter cover, gutter screen or gutter guard system works as effectively or as economically to keep debris from entering your roof gutters. Gutter Stuff Original is made from durable polyester outdoor foam that is lightweight and will not dent, bend, crumble, or lose its shape. K-Style is by far the most common gutter system. Use K-Style Gutter Stuff to protect these gutters from leaves, dirt and debris without impeding the flow of water. Refer to the comparison guide below to select which Gutter Stuff series is right for your home. Use half-round style gutter stuff to protect these gutters from leaves, dirt and debris without impeding the flow of water. Refer to the comparison guide below to select which Gutter Stuff series is right for your home. Let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best gutter guards list is a Miramax 636025 gutter guard. Use the Miramax 3-foot lock-in gutter guard to help protect your gutter from filling with debris. These gutter guards are compatible with 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch metal case style gutters, and the pre-notched design allows for overlapping, which eliminates gaps between the guards. The tight expanded metal mesh pattern keeps out most debris, to keep your gutters flowing freely. Easy to install, simply slide the flat side under the shingle and lock the curved portion into the front edge of the gutter. Made of durable powder-coated steel, this product is designed to handle high-volume water flow and hold up to the heat and cold better than vinyl gutter guards. Our fifth and last choice is Flexpoint gutter guards. Flexpoint mounts permanently and securely to the front lip of the gutter system and mounts directly into the fascia board with provided stainless steel fasteners. Flexpoint gutter covers will not void roof warranties, unlike other products that slide under shingles. Its unique 3-point design prevents water overflow and potential foundation damage by acting as dams, slowing water flow over the cover, allowing full drainage into your gutters, even when covered by wet leaves and debris. Flexpoint gutter covers will never clog, as Flexpoint's 3-point design allows airflow by elevating wet leaves and other debris off of the cover surface, preventing them from sticking to the cover. Over time, light wind and other natural elements simply blow away the dried leaves and debris.